Welcome to Pranab Digital Gurukul. Today, we'll explore a fascinating and trending topic, artificial intelligence jobs. Have you wondered why everyone talks about AI and if it's worth pursuing as a career? Are AI jobs really in demand? I am Pranab Kishore Prahraj, CEO and founder of Pranab Digital Gurukul. By the end of this video, you'll understand the growing opportunities in AI and how you can prepare yourself to join this exciting field. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines and software that can think, learn, and solve problems like humans. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is shaping the future. AI is everywhere, in the apps we use, in voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and even in the recommendations we get on platforms like YouTube and Netflix. The growing demand for AI jobs. AI is not just a technology, it's a revolution. Businesses across the globe are adopting AI to improve efficiency, cut costs, and make better decisions. This has created a huge demand for skilled AI professionals. According to studies, the demand for AI jobs has grown by over 75% in the last 5 years. Companies seek data scientists, machine learning engineers, AI researchers, and AI ethics specialists. AI jobs are not limited to the tech industry alone. AI is being used in healthcare, education, transportation, entertainment, and even agriculture. Types of AI jobs. Let's look at some popular AI-related jobs in demand. Data scientist. Analyze large amounts of data to find patterns and make predictions. Machine learning engineer. Develop algorithms and systems that allow machines to learn from data. AI researcher. Work on the latest innovations in AI and create new technologies. AI product manager. Manage AI-based projects and ensure they meet user needs. AI ethics specialist. Focus on making AI fair, transparent, and unbiased. Other roles include natural language processing, NLP, experts, computer vision engineers, and robotics specialists. Industries using AI. AI is transforming many industries. Here are some examples. Healthcare. AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and develop personalized treatments. Example, AI-powered medical imaging systems. Finance. AI detects fraud and predicts market trends. Example, chatbots for customer service in banks. Transportation. Self-driving cars and smart traffic systems are powered by AI. Retail. AI improves customer experiences through personalized recommendations. Entertainment. AI creates realistic animations and improves streaming services like Netflix. Skills needed for AI jobs. To get a job in AI, you need the right skills. Here's what you should focus on. Programming skills. Learn Python, R, and other programming languages used in AI. Mathematics. Understand linear algebra, calculus, and probability. Machine learning. Master algorithms and techniques like neural networks. Data handling. Learn how to collect, clean, and analyze data. Problem solving. Develop logical and creative thinking. You don't need to be an expert in everything. Start small and build your knowledge step by step. Future of AI jobs. The future of AI jobs looks very bright. As technology advances, more opportunities will emerge. Here are some trends to watch out for. AI in automation. AI will create smarter robots and machines for factories. AI in creativity. Tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E are enabling new ways of creating content. AI in education. Personalized learning systems will make education accessible to all. Experts predict that AI will create more jobs than it replaces, especially in areas like AI ethics, maintenance, and innovation. Future of AI jobs. The future of AI jobs looks very bright. As technology advances, more opportunities will emerge. Here are some trends to watch out for. AI in automation. AI will create smarter robots and machines for factories. AI in creativity. Tools like ChatGPT and Dolly are enabling new ways of creating content. AI in education. Personalized learning systems will make education accessible to all. Experts predict that AI will create more jobs than it replaces, especially in areas like AI ethics, maintenance, and innovation. How to start your AI career? If you are ready to start your AI journey, here are a few steps to follow. Take online courses. Platforms like Pranab Digital Gurukul, Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube offer free resources. Build projects. Apply your skills to small projects like chatbots or recommendation systems. Join communities. Network with other AI enthusiasts through forums and events. Get certified. Earn certifications from platforms like Google AI, Microsoft AI, or AWS. Conclusion. The demand for AI jobs is real and growing. With the right skills and mindset, you can build a rewarding career in this field. Remember, the future is in your hands. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Pranab Digital Gurukul for more insights into the world of technology. See you in the next video.